Today we're going to be playing Backrooms found footage Rebirth. A lot of you guys might probably know what this one is though. You guys probably know that this is a class 1.
This one's Backrooms found footage Rebirth. Whoa, what the hell?
I've already beaten level 0, but I haven't beaten any other levels, so don't worry. Just that level 0 is the most annoying one, so that's why. Oh god, I'm stuck in the sea. Oh no, please not this. Wait, can I activate teleport? Nope. I'm stuck. Can I please get unstuck? I think someone did it.
Who found the exit?
I found the ladder. I didn't find the exit though because I got stuck in the roof.
I'm recording this by the way, so I've seen this guy is like crawling and
oh my god. What the heck you did?
What the? Oh, he bled! Oh wait, that's racist.
Oh hey.
No, I just been. Oh heck no, he bled. He blacker than the back.
Oh.
So look at that. He's blacker than that. Okay, that is
What?
racist. I'm sorry. Why can you not? Hey, yo! Well, teacher Griffiths doesn't get to go there. Oh, monkeys! Oh, big fairy balls monkeys! Oh, big monkeys!
What? Bro, stop. I'm recording
I'm
a
sorry.
video, man.
Okay, sorry. I'm recording video as well.
Oh god, he's after me. He's after me.
You know what the Backrooms are seeing?
He keeps on killing me.
You know what the Backrooms are seeing? If you do, they copy the sound. They copy the sound.
Oh yeah, I know the Backrooms. I'll see.
Oh god. Dude, he's killed. He's distracting him. That's good. He's doing good. Tell me one. You want to use him.
But I think that's kind of annoying for him though.
He's true though. keep him this way.
Alright, guess we're going this way.
Oh god. That's what it does. If I
It's
die.
gonna break.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're going to level 2, the pipe system. Pipe. I know. This is not the pipe dream I was thinking of. This is not level 2. This is.
I thought I glitched out the map.
I'm pretty sure.
We have ended your suffering.
This is not level 2. Level 2 is it's like I forgot what are those called again? Like
We have ended your suffering. Behind you, behind you.
They're the underground pipe systems. Right?
Yo, dude. Ah!
I'm good. No spawn points found.
Oh, definitely winning.
Run, hit the hand, it's after you. Oh crap, it pulled him under.
I am not dying.
Where is he? Where is he? I don't know where he went. He's coming after us, don't worry. You can't look under the door.
Oh, no.
Under the sheet.
No, it's chasing him, I think. Oh, wait! I saw something. there.
This is
Check
not
this
level
wall.
2. Level 2 is more of like a pipe system, like. Not
Level 2 in the Backrooms whole thing is just a maze. It's just a maze.
That's it in the actual Backrooms wiki. It's that.
Oh, we found it.
Alright, now we're heading to
Oh,
level
it's
3,
again.
the electrical station.
Should we wait for him? Because
Let's go to the electrical station. Oh, what's this?
Level 2, this level 7. Don't you look and see what and that is. And get out the water.
Now we head into the electrical system. Here we go. I bet this is based on Kane Pixley, or yeah, you know what? I don't really. I just read the wiki. Really, man? Hey, where are you? I'm in an.
Alright, I got. Oh, yo, I glitched out the map, right? But that was not gonna stop me. I glitched out the map. That was not gonna stop me though.
No. What was that?
No.
Why are they being so
Hey.
confused?
We've ended the suffering by eating that guy in level 1. Yeah.
Oh no!
He's an entity. That is an entity.
It's the fungus.
I'll play this more. It's more detailed, I think. That is an entity.
Oh god!
Just get on. It's fast.
It's the crawler.
fast.
Alright,
It
whatever
can go
those
through
things are
walls. I
called.
know it can go through walls, I think.
I forgot what those things
It
are
can go
called.
through walls, I think. I played this one, but more detailed.
I forgot what
You can
this
go
one
through
was
walls.
called. I forgot what
This
that
one,
was
this
called.
one. Input out it, running out it. Jump and slide. You be faster. He's not chasing us.
You hear me? Hey, you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
I don't.
You got a nice voice. You got a nice voice here. Oh. Look at it.
Oh god, he's after us. Oh god, okay, go back, turn back.
No, you're asleep, Joe. Hey,
This is definitely level 3, except level 3 is more of a, like, it's more of a brighter. Yeah, this is an exact replicate of it, though. Oh! I don't think he's supposed to be under. Nice and bright.
You just seen the light.
Oh, what's that? I see a door.
go. Go.
Now we're going to level 5 because they said level 4 is being made still. It's being still made, I think, though. It might actually be here, though. And there are a lot of levels. I like games with a lot of Backrooms levels, so... Yeah, we're at level 5 now. This is level 5.
Oh, level 5.
I don't think this is level 5. This is not 188. I guess we're at level 100. I guess we're at level 188 now. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Can you get to level 100?
Call 62. Okay, 62. Okay. Oh, I know that.
I'm trying to use my big brain fast as you can get from level 5 to level 100.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Just see. What the heck? Alright, we need to make it to the boiler room now. Where's the boiler room? I hear someone screaming. Where's the almond water at? Where's the almond?
I banged your mom in bed. It's super fast. It's faster than my mom.
What?
No.
Oh god, we're gonna sit down.
Nah, run quickly! Quickly!
Oh, we're safe. These are groups.
Oh.
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
What?
Oh jeez. 188. What's over here? Oh, you can't go. The song is called Am I being I think I'm being chased. I'm scared. What's the objective? There's no objective. Computer time. Oh, you're back here as well. Wait a minute. This is quite the shiny bookshelf. What do we do here? Wait a minute, this is water. Water is coming from here. So this must be level 7. We know level 6, right? We're gonna go to level 6, not level 7.
He's going right. He's gonna come in. No, don't glitch off. You're gonna fall off the map. And we have to fight you.
I don't know how to get in here. Alright. Try to open all the doors. Holy crap. No. Well, we did it. Off to level 6. Lights out. How'd you guys get... Wait a minute. Flashlights are not supposed to be here.
I glitch walked. Okay, I cheated. I glitch walked.
I'm
sorry, I glitch walked.
No, I have a question. Why are there flashlights here? Level 6 gets rid of all lights. Like, even fire doesn't work in level 6. It doesn't really matter.
Level 6, wait.
Look at our surroundings.
Where's Nico?
Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, no, this is a maze.
Alright, there's a door right
What
there.
is level? I don't know.
Oh, what the? Oh, someone is imposter! I know this! It's...
my god.
Yeah.
I don't have my...
Totally.
It's right
Maybe it
behind
doesn't-
you.
Oh my god, what the hell's wrong with it? Nah!
I cannot see a thing. Oh wait, you have to hold it down. Ooh, what's this? A fuse. Nice.
Yeah, I played this, I know what to do! I've totally played 100%.
It's fast.
One thing about me, I'm the sexiest alive. No, you have to collect all the pieces.
No,
You have to
this is
collect all the pieces.
Dude, this is a fuse. Find fuses. Yes, fuses. I have a fuse right here. What do I do with the fuse? Oh, right here. Right here.
Yeah, put one in. Only
Fuse.
where?
Oh, well, we made it to level 8, I guess. Level 7 is being created, they say. Well, recreated. This is right now we're at level 8. So this is the cave system. This is the cave system.
I just have to talk to my brother. I thought you had one fuse. Then when I played, then you need 3 fuses.
This
Wait,
is the
I'm gonna
cave.
sneeze.
This is the cave system. That's holy stuff.
Oh my! Oh my!
Okay. Why am I always the one to die? I'm the one who... Alright, we're heading up to level 9, the suburban stuff. I forgot the name. Alright, level
Do you know the song they used was from Roblox
level
Stars?
13. No, I'm going directly to level 10. We're going to level 10.
Okay, yeah.
Huh.
I just saw a red dot.
Level 10 is straight, so I'm gonna go straight.
Where?
Go
Oh no.
straight, just like me.
Level
Dude,
no, don't go up, don't go up there, don't go.
Where
You
did he
don't go
go?
back to
Level 4
You need to
or
go to level 10.
level
Level 10's over
10
here.
or level what's it?
We don't go level 4, I'm not doing that again. I think you have to you have to do one side.
We have to do level 13.
You have to do one side.
Wait,
what?
no, follow me. I think we might... Okay, just go over this way to level 13. And then keep on going.
How do you guys go up that?
Wait, over there, look it. Up here.
Yeah, you saw that?
This is not level 4, so it says we need to go straight if we want to make it to the next level. Because I
Hey.
don't want to skip the level.
Yo, guys. Oh! When you see this guy, you see something in the corner, run. When you see him, just run. You can't, I know where he is. I've seen Jim and Curly play this. It's like this. Something, it's coming.
Oh,
You have to hide.
where did he go? Hey,
It's in the Look at that.
I'll be back at level 0. Level 9 is supposed to be a suburban area, not a...
he's going. What's this?
This is... Oh god, I hear it.
Charlie, got that melody.
Okay, this is a
My
Discord
head
wall.
up.
What the heck?
Oh, what?
What is happening with the...
Bathroom? Ah,
What happened with the discolored walls,
This
man?
guy's cocky.
Yay, we're back in level 0.
No, it's different color. It's like pale. It's like a
Pale.
like a really like.
where does he go?
What?
Ah! I just fell down into the Abyss. Alright, now we're at the big old field way.
Oh.
When I was in the entity listing, it said there's something that was yellow that would probably look like a wheat that's gonna come after us.
So there's no entities on this level,
No,
right?
There are some entities in level 10. Level 10 is a class 1. Or it's a class 2, it's one of those two. Safe, secure, minimal
I don't see like.
safe.
I think there's no entities because like you know the Backrooms of Indians on this level. I see no entities in this level.
What is that?
Oh, I played this on iPad.
I'm pretty sure there is something that is...
Yeah.
There's multiple?
Yep, I played this on iPad.
Run.
What you doing? Run! I have played this on iPad. I just skipped to level 10. That's why I'm so bad at these levels. I just skipped to level 10.
Look at that.
And I didn't complete it.
There's another one.
What
You
the
hear me?
fuck?
Hey.
It's a big entity from level 0. It's made
hear
of
me?
tree.
Hey.
Like, it's made of like a tree, I think. Or dirt.
I need run.
Run. It's behind you, man. It's behind you.
Come on, jump and slide. You'll be more quicker.
I need to find a little, like, latch. Or I can just walk really far to get to level 11. I just need to walk somewhere. Like, I can just walk really far that way. Bro, what is that?
Hey!
Eat me! Oh, jeez. Oh, and I spawned under the map? Bro, what? Help me. Under the map. Alrighty then, since I am now under the map. I really hate this. Where am I? Where do we go? Okay, guess. Sorry guys, I just keep on dying and then spawning somewhere random. It's not my fault. I mean, what the heck is that?
It's a tripod. From that tripod remastered game. You know that one?
Yeah, I
Tripod
know what it
remastered.
is. It's kind of slow though.
Yeah, but look, it's got really good vision. It can laser you from like 5 centimeters away. Like it can laser you from like far away, not that far though.
Yeah, that is an alien tripod from the.
But like it's best to keep away from it.
Hey, wait a minute. Level 11 is not supposed to be dangerous. Level 11 is supposed to have a friendly effect on all entities, right?
You see?
I don't know, I just read
Now
the
this
book.
will give me like, do you know who Siren Head is?
No,
Do you know who
but,
Siren Head is?
yeah, I know who he is. But,
Yeah.
God,
It's gonna be that vibe. It's gonna be those vibes.
I swear.
Like that long entity.
I just read everything off the back end of the wiki. I know I'm too stupid of a nerd.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you with that.
Okay, how big is this place? You know what? Let's
What's
split
your
up. Let's split up. You guys keep on going
name?
that way. I'll go this way, okay? Keep on going that way. I'll go this way.
I just said the name.
Yo, you guys go that way.
Okay,
Go that way, guys.
I
Keep
don't
on
really
going.
mind.
Guys, keep on going that
Okay,
way.
yeah, let's
I'm
keep
gonna
on
go this way.
going.
I don't know why I'm over.
Daisy 09 song from this is the Daisy 09 song.
So like guys, when I make my game, I'm gonna so when I make my games, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna make it so it's like the
Safe zone.
so the level 12, it's actually
It's safe zone.
I'll just shut up.
Yeah,
When I make the game, you guys will see, okay?
Yeah.
You should go read the Backrooms wiki after watching this. You guys will love it. I'm gonna try to learn as much levels as I can until my brain starts hurting. Don't worry, I will make the level eyes eye hurling. Oh my god, my eyes actually hurt. I need to see color before I die. I'm gonna die. Color. I escaped the Matrix. Up to level 13 we go, and why does level 13 look like this? Whatever, doesn't matter.
Oh, not this level. Isn't the skinwalkers on this level to call
No,
it? Or something?
My
This is
friend
level
is here.
13, level
Stop, stop,
13.
stop, 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 stop,
Not
stop,
Skinwalker.
please,
Let's
stop,
just go
please,
read the
stop.
wiki. I don't
My friend is here, here.
That's not Skinwalker.
You guys read the wiki for yourself. You know what? I'm gonna stop being annoying. But like, when I need to read the wiki to make my game, because I'm gonna try to make my game as realistic at the Backrooms. And now I'm gonna shut up. Wait, arrows just told me to go this way. What the heck is that?
They said to go there, but like there's nothing there, so like
Oh crap. Run for it. Run for it. Run, 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 run.
oh, he's faster than me. Yay, my friend.
Party up,
My
man.
friend.
Party up. Party up.
Yay. Yeah.
Party up.
Yeah. What the?
Alright, whatever.
Oh, monkeys!
That's kind of goofy.
He's venting! That's venting. Among Us.
Sorry, guys. We gotta run, man. Wait a minute.
That guy's lucky. Now let's see. Дядя, за мной там гнался.
Whoa. Where the heck? Oh, he just vented. He just vented.
Пустота, это что было? Это что было за пустота?
I found it. This is the entrance.
It's not the start. It's just
I found the. That's not the exit. This is where we started. This is where we started, guys. 'Cause if you look there, there's the welcome mats right there. The welcome mats right there. Can I do a little bit of cheating, guys? Sorry. Just a little bit.
Дарк. Ты меня слышишь? Ты меня слышишь, Дарк? Dark.
That's not the exit. That's not the exit.
Guys.
That's not the.
Yeah.
Bro, jump, try to jump out. Oh crap. Where's the exit? Wait a minute.
Oh my god, where's
I found the
exit?
Follow me.
I just found the white house. I just found a white big dark thing.
Oh,
I
down
went.
here.
Oh!
He spent so long at that one level. Sorry, I was using the camera glitch. I was just kidding. This is not level 14. Huh?
This is not what I expected.
This is not level 14.
Oh my goodness, this is so white.
Yeah,
I wanna
level
play
14 is supposed to be red.
I'm gonna swim, because I think I just picked up the snow.
That's what the wiki says, at least.
I was gonna go, that's an entity.
Oh
Is there an
my
entity in this
god,
level?
what the heck is that?
Of course there is. Hey.
He gets mad if you get... He's after me, he's after me, he's after me.
Just run, just run, just run.
Poor guy.
Stop fighting, you guys.
Oh my god, he's still dying over there. The poor guy's probably still getting murdered.
This might be a 1 hour long. I think he's gonna watch this.
There it is. Huh? Oh, futuristic house. Let's go.
Oh my.
This is my favorite level in the Backrooms because it's a class 0.
What have we done?
It's a class 0 and you can find food here. That's why I love this level.
Where is my body?
Except here it's not. You're not allowed to put any class 0s in Rec Room games, I guess. Or maybe you are. I'm waiting for something to come and kill me. I hear something.
Yeah, it sounds like a ghost screaming
Get
to
over
me,
here.
but
Get over here.
it's not like somebody screaming. That's not weird, right? That's nothing, right? It's just
It sounds really close.
it's a dead end, guys. That's what good.
Is it a wretch? That sounds like a wretch.
Same zone.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for my video.
That is not a wretch, that is a cafeteria.
For daddy.
Oh, jeez. I'll take one for the team.
Up to my neck. me football? You just snapped to my neck? You didn't try to eat me, you just snapped to me? It's the wrong way.
Guess we gotta go straight. Where do you go?
Wait,
Wait, where'd the other guy go? We just took a turn or something.
This has to be it, man. If it's not, man, I can't. You haven't.
I don't know.
Yeah, nothing's behind us. Oh my god, I'm gonna get. Why is he doing that?
Oh god, he sounds close.
You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? It's me.
Oh no, another 4.
You don't hear anything. Oh, it's there. It's here. It's here. Yo, bro.
Go! Oh crap. What the heck is that?
I found the exit. I told you to follow me, but you didn't listen.
Bro, what level is this again? So we were just at
What
level
the
15. This
monkey
is
is
level
that?
16. I need to use my big brains to remember what level 16 is. I think it's the infinite warehouse or something like that. It's something like that. It's something, I don't know. I'm sorry, just I can't remember anything past level 15.
Hello.
I can't remember something. Whoa, what did I do, man? Whoa, you can... Oh. He's after me now.
Just run. My friend, we have found the exit.
Let's go.
Run! Everyone,
Я
run!
могу тебе подарок подарить.
Jump and slide to the exit! Get to the exit!
Yeah, what?